guys, it's a me, Shelfster. So today I'm showing you guys this travel footrest kit that you can take on airplanes. Well, you gotta check the airline policy, but you can take it on trains, you can take it on buses, pretty much anywhere for a portable footrest. Let's go ahead and open it. Earplugs. What's in her? Ooh. Comes in a nice travel bag. Super small and convenient to take with you anywhere. It's got a nice long adjustable strap. See, you can go really short or really long. Here's an eye mask. Oh, I like this. It doesn't mess up my makeup. Ooh. Very convenient for traveling. It's got a nice firm bottom. You can't bend it. And it looks nice with memory foam on the bottom. So you just would put it at the edge of something and then you'd be able to rest your feet up on it. It's got a nice clip and easy to put away. You just fold it up. Don't forget your earplugs and your eye mask. I've got the links for the product right down below in the description box. Please like and subscribe for more reviews and demo videos. Thank you.